Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something really exciting, the 2026 Radical SR10. This car is a true marvel of engineering, and if you're into performance, design, or the future of racing, you're in for a treat. The SR10, which made its debut in 2020, is already an incredible machine, but the 2026 model is set to take everything to a whole new level. Let's talk about what makes it stand out. First off, the Radical SR10 has always been known for its lightweight design and superb handling, and the 2026 version is no different, if not better. With a focus on aerodynamics and enhanced structural integrity, the 2026 SR10 is all about getting the most out of every turn, corner, and straightaway. What's really exciting about this car is the evolution of its engine. Under the hood, the 2026 Radical SR10 will feature a turbocharged, 4-cylinder engine that delivers more power and torque than ever before. We're talking about a car that's going to push over 300 horsepower, which is absolutely bonkers when you consider its weight and agility. This means quicker acceleration, faster lap times, and an even more thrilling driving experience. But it's not just about raw power. The 2026 SR10 is packed with technology aimed at improving both driver performance and safety. We're talking about a fully integrated telemetry system that can provide real-time feedback, allowing drivers to tweak their settings on the fly for maximum performance. Whether you're racing on a track or just pushing it to the limits on an open road, this car will be a game changer. When it comes to the design, the 2026 Radical SR10 is sleek and aerodynamic. Radical has always focused on creating cars that are as functional as they are beautiful, and the SR10 is no exception. The bodywork is crafted to not only look stunning but to offer the best possible downforce, helping keep that car glued to the track even at higher speeds. One of the coolest features that's likely to make an appearance in 2026 is the advancements in fuel efficiency and emissions. With an increasing focus on sustainability in motorsports, Radical is exploring ways to make their cars more eco-friendly while maintaining the heart-pounding performance we all know and love. While it's still early days, we could be seeing some serious innovations in this area, making the SR10 a model for the future of racing. The 2026 Radical SR10 is shaping up to be the perfect blend of cutting-edge technology, blistering performance, and unmatched handling. Whether you're a race fan or just an automotive enthusiast, it's definitely a car to keep an eye on. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for more updates on the Radical SR10 and all things automotive. See you in the next one.